Let's get over now to the tracking center for a look at what's happening outside to start the week.
And Megan has a check of the roads in just a minute, but first, a Storm Team 8 meteorologist Blake Harms. Hi, Blake.
Hey, Sue and Michelle. Yeah, we're tracking several rounds of storms. Some of them could be strong to severe Tuesday night into Wednesday. So let's start off Futurecast. This is Tuesday at 2 o'clock. So after the rains move through, we dry things out. There's a question as to just how far north the warm front may lift, but there's the possibility of a few showers and thunderstorms into Tuesday night. Notice this doesn't look particularly menacing. We have the possibility of seeing a few storms even off to the north. So that's round one. With this first round, we could certainly see a few damaging wind gusts or large hailstones, but at this point, the threat appears to be diminishing for us for Tuesday night. Not to say it is zero, because it's certainly not. What we're going to be watching pretty closely is that there's a delay before the cold front comes through. And so that allows us to warm up pretty tremendously during the day on Wednesday, and that also gives the fuel to fire up some potentially very strong thunderstorms by midday Wednesday into the early afternoon hours. So this is just a snapshot from the HER model, but it does show some pretty strong storms that fire up and then move their way off to the northeast through Wednesday afternoon. So we've been highlighted in a risk area from the Storm Prediction Center for both Tuesday. So this looks eerily similar to the risk on Friday from last Friday, where you have a risk in Arkansas and also in parts of Illinois and Iowa. But here at home, areas south of Allegan, west of Kalamazoo under a slight risk, level 2 out of 5. Everyone else at a level 1 out of 5. The Storm Prediction Center did a pretty rare update to their day 3 outlook just a few minutes ago, which now includes almost all West Michigan and a slight risk, or a level 2 out of 5 for thunderstorms during the midday to afternoon hours of Wednesday. So that's, I think, what we're going to be watching a little more closely, although storms are possible during both time frames.